Hi everyone, I just received this beautiful recipe book, Natasha's Kitchen. This is a beautiful recipe book from cover to cover. It's full of family-friendly favorite recipes that you're going to make again and again. A little bit about Natasha. She tells her story in the book about her family that came from Ukraine and how her mom taught her how to cook. And then she goes into easy ways how to measure things, kitchen staples, a little introductory. And then she has breakfast foods, some beautiful recipes. One of my favorites is the cinnamon rolls with cream cheese frosting. Look at this, I had to show you that. Something I think everybody in my family would like if I would make. She gives easy to follow directions. And as you go through the book, you get into appetizers and snacks, and some good ones, cowboy, caviar, salsa, roasted pecans. Another favorite I wanted to show you, something I'm planning to make, chicken and mushroom wine sauce. Absolutely beautiful. Already have some of the ingredients, and that's one of the other things, is she makes it easy to follow the ingredients. You're going to have many of them already in your cabinet. One other thing, I have to show you just some easy to follow things here. This is your next level cheese board. Isn't that beautiful? She actually shows you how to put it together. She does the same with a beef taco bar and potato bar. I am very impressed with this book. It came to me for free, and I am very happy to be able to share this book with you, Natasha's Kitchen.